DMR number 1, we're going to use this number line to drag and drop the points to the correct spots. All right, so, -5, we could do this one. So if we start at 0 and we go back in between 0 and -2, we're going to have -1. So -1 is going to be this, the longer line. -2, -3, -4, and -5. All right, there we go. Let's take a look at 5.5, 5.5. So in between each of these lines, we are going to have halves. So this little blue line is half. So the small short line is half. Then our longer line, just like all the other ones, are the wholes. So we're going to go to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a half. So 5.5. Whoop. All right, next one, just regular positive 1/2. So we're gonna start at our 0 and maybe, okay. We're gonna start at our 0 and we're gonna go positive 1/2. So just positive 1/2. Now let's go to positive 3.5. So go 1, 2, 3.5. And -2.5 will go -1, -2.5. All right, now we're going to compare 3.5 and 1/2. So 3.5 and 1/2, or 3 5/10 and 0 5/10. 3 5/10, 0 5/10, which is bigger? Yeah, I'd rather have $3.50 than 50 cents. All right, so $3.50 or 3.5 is going to be greater than 5/10 or 1/2. And that's going to be it for your DMR number 1. Great job.